Okay. Represent the following fractions on the number line. The fractions are 1 by 3, 4 by 7, 11 by 5. So if you are asked to find out this type of fractions on the number line, then how will you represent it on the number line? Okay, let me show it. At first you will draw the number line. As you know, it is 0, then it is 1, 2, plus 1, plus 2, and left side of 0, that is minus 1, minus 2. Okay, so if you are asked to find out minus 1, minus 2, 7, any number, then you can find out easily on the number line. Okay, but in case of fractions like 1 by 3, how will represent it on the number line? So at first you will see the denominator, that is 3. So you will divide 0 to 1 into 3 part. 1, 2, 3. 3 part. I have divided 0 to 1 into 3 part. So it is first part. So this will be the 1 by 3. Okay. So that's how you will represent 1 by 3 on the number line. Let me show next one. 4 by 7. 4 by 7. So you'll see the denominator, that is 7. So you'll divide it 0 to 1 into 7 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have divided 0 to 1 into 7 part, and it is 4th part. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be 4 by 7. Okay, that's how you will represent fractions on the number line. Next one, 11 by 5, that is little bit twist there. Okay, so it is 1, it is suppose 2, and it is 3. Okay, so here it is 11 by 5. At first you will as you can see, the numerator is bigger than denominator. So at first you will convert this fraction into mixed fraction. So if I convert this into the mixed fraction, then it will be 2 and 1 by 5. Okay, so 2, 1, 1, 2. After 2, that is denominator 5. So we will divide between 2 to 3 into 5 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 part. I have divided into 5 part, and it is between 2 to 3 first part. So this will be 2 and 1 by 5. This will be 2 and 1 by 5, or you can write it 11 by 5. This. Okay, so that's how you can represent the fractions, different type of fractions on the number line. Thank you for watching the video.